Alright guys, so we're back here with a little bit of a different type of video here. But we're going to be doing a unboxing, some stuff I got. So let's start by really the most basic thing in here. Here we have a pack of, I think 12 rags that I got off of Temu for like, I think $3. So not bad. Whole thing of rags. We're gonna set them right there. Peep the NRG wheel though. Piece of junk. But coming in here now, we got another set of these rags. Now these come with, I don't know if y'all can see 12 right there. You can kinda see it. You can kinda see. But right there. 12 rags. Now, next we have some little car accessories. Have some of these right here, though. These are like kind of a, I would guess you would say, a engine bay dress up kit, a bolt dress up kit. They basically come with these little things here. They come with these and these right here. These Allen bolts. These replace 10 mils, I think. But yeah, I got let's see, including this pack. It's 1, 2. Let's see what we got next. We got some drill bits, which come in handy if you're always working on stuff and drilling stuff, putting stuff on. They come in handy. They can help with like stuck bolts and crap too. Let's actually open them. I'm gonna open them. Trying to. There we go. Now they come in little packs. You got super little small ones right here. They're really small ones. And you got like a step up from that, which is these. And you have a step up from that, which is one of these. I don't know which, but yeah. Then you have these right here, which is like a kind of normal size. Pretty much a normal size. That goes in there. And you got some of these. All together, I think it said it was 50 pieces, I think. 50 or 20. I'll put it on the screen right here. But next in the bag we have this right here. You guys might not know what this is, but this is like a great fluid reservoir cover. As you can see, y'all know I'm a Honda boy, bro. I had to. I had one of these on the RSX. I should have took all this off the RSX before I got rid of it. But I had these on the RSX. I had this on the RSX. I should have took all that off before I got rid of it, but I did not. Let's close that back up. Put these drill bits back in their baggie also. Because knowing me, they'll be all over the place. And not in the correct place they're supposed to be. So, put it back in there. That's in there. We have these, which are like rear view mirror visors. Yeah. So, you got 3M tape right here so you can stick them on the car. This one's for the... This is going to be for the driver's side. This one is going to be for the passenger side. Yeah, so I'm going to stick them back together because they only 3M'd one side. So I don't want to waste that 3M tape. So, whoa, we knocked our light over. Jesus, bro. Boy, not paying attention. But next, we have another pack of these. So all in all, you get 10 of these little washer things in each pack, and you get 10 of the Allen bolts in each pack. So I got 4 packs of those. So that's going to be what? 10, 20, 40 all together. I got 40 of these and 40 of the bolts. So my engine bay is about to be looking a little good on both of my cars. So the 7th gen and the 8th gen, or 7th gen and 7th gen, if this guy comes and gets the 8th gen tomorrow. But yeah, not counting on that. I opened this one off camera, but this is a sort of like tool I got to use with my impacts. I get tired of going to O'Reilly's and buying these for like $6-7, and they just shatter every time. So hopefully these stand up more to my impact. I know the one that O'Reilly didn't. I know my Snap-on ones didn't. I know my Diablo ones didn't. They all shattered. So hopefully TMU Special here does something. We got 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, and we have our 3/8, which is my most used size, which I'm really glad I got these. So yeah guys, that's all for the unboxing. So a little recap. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. We got these little impact to socket adapters, I guess that's what you call it. We got those. Oh man, I got stuff falling off. We got our drill bits. We got our Mugen brake fluid cover. Yeah, that Mugen power. Then got our rearview mirror visors. Then we have our holy grail, the car X here. So if y'all like this, bro, like, subscribe. Your boy is out. Peace.